Happy Thanksgiving. You want to say Happy Thanksgiving? Thank you. Thank you. Come on, Mimi. Say Happy Thanksgiving. Oh, thank you. Lots of kisses. Lots of kisses. Yes. I know. Happy Thanksgiving from Mimi and Suri. Lots of kisses. Say we had, oh, well, thank you, Suri. Lots of kisses. We had blueberries and carrots. And we had, why, thank you. We had bananas, yes. And Mommy had a tiramisu. And family, yes. And we had Filipino, Mommy had Filipino food with family that gave me Filipino food. Yes. What else? We had a good day. Yeah, we played. All right. That's right, Mimi. All right. Good night. Hope everyone had a safe and wonderful Thanksgiving. Right? Yeah. All right, Mimi. Why, thank you.